Good morning, guys. We're here at a new job. This pool deck has a failed cementitious decorative overlay. The clients hired us to remove it and install a Sierra Stone coating around their pool deck at this hotel. So today is the first day. We're just removing the overlay. Then we'll grind the floor, prime it, and get it cleaned and ready to install.
Proper concrete floor preparation is crucial when applying a decorative concrete coating to an old concrete slab. It ensures better adhesion, durability, and a smooth, flawless finish. During our preparation stage, we will remove any contaminants, repair cracks and holes, and level or slope any trouble areas on the surface. This creates an ideal foundation for the decorative coating that we will install and maximizes its longevity and aesthetic appeal. After the jackhammering is completed and the repairs undone, we will pressure wash the entire concrete slab and clean it really well prior to mixing our resinous epoxy and stone high performance coating. We use hydraulic cement for most of our interior and exterior floor repairs rather than regular sand and cement for several reasons, but mainly because of its ability to set and harden quickly, even in wet conditions. It provides excellent waterproofing properties, gives a very high strength, and is relatively resistant to chemicals. These attributes make hydraulic cement ideal for repair work and applications where moisture or rapid setting is a concern.
All right, guys, we're back at Seaview Hotel. Yesterday we installed the Sierra Stone. We had about 15 minutes of hard rain and we were hustling to cover the dry concrete with some plastic and tarps. And we scraped up a bit of bad epoxy that got too much water on it. But after inspecting the floor today, there's no issues, so that's really lucky, because if it rains too much, it can turn the epoxy white on the surface. But everything looks good, so we're just removing the tools, cleaning up the edges, scraping off any loose straggling stones on the surface, and then reapplying the final coat of epoxy on the surface today. And then we will finish this job today. So it turned out great. Took us about 5 days of prep, a lot of jackhammering and crack repair, and a day and a half to install.
This resinous stone and epoxy coating offers numerous benefits. It provides a UV stable, durable, seamless, and non-porous surface that resists stains, chemicals, and abrasion, and is non-slip when wet. It enhances the aesthetics with a wide range of colors and finishes while offering easy maintenance and improved longevity to the concrete slab. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. You can also follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram for more exclusive content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching.